I know.
All right, here we go. This is the word.
Okay.
And then I want you to try to pronounce it, okay?
Yeah, okay. I know, like medical stuff has like many words that we don't like hard words.
Yeah, for sure.
Even to the native speakers.
Oh yeah,
am I right?
For sure. Let me show you my favorite one, please. Let me show you my favorite word.
Yeah.
Okay, hold on.
You mean like the hardest one? I know.
All right, here we go. This is the word.
Okay.
And then I want you to try to pronounce it, okay?
Yeah, okay. Yeah, it's very easy.
All right.
Wow, it's very easy.
Very easy.
Yeah, very easy. Oh my God. Yeah, I will leave and come back tomorrow.
Okay, all right.
Bye-bye.
See you later. Bye-bye. All right. This word is pneumono-ultramicroscopic silicovolcanoconiosis.
Oh la la. Believe it or not, yesterday I saw this word on Instagram.
Did you really?
And yeah. And the tutor pronounced it like just like you. And I said, "Oh my goodness! I hope I will not I will not like face this
I'm sure
word
you won't.
someday."
I'm sure you won't. It's basically, I don't even know exactly what it is. I think it's just like a lung disease or something.
Yeah, lung disease.
I don't even know exactly. I just learned it in one class many years ago, and I remember the teacher said, "You don't need to remember this, but," and then he taught us this word. So
I think like it's a challenge for English learners.
Oh, for sure.
And sometimes the English learners, like they make like a competition, like who can pronounce this word, and all people like show their muscles. I can't.
Show their muscles. Yes, I love that. Okay, well, I challenge you at some point. You have to learn how to say this word. You have to.
The same word or another word?
The same word.
Oh my goodness. Maybe I will practice. Well, maybe I will practice on this word. But really, I like this challenging because my friend taught me how to pronounce a long word. Let me remember. Anti-establishmentarianism.
Oh yeah, anti-disestablishmentarianism. Yeah.
And it's very long, and it has many words. And when I heard it for the first time, I said, "Oh my goodness, I will not like pronounce it very good." But he like bet or bet me. Bet me. Yeah, he bet me to pronounce this word, and I practiced on this word for 3 days, and and here I am.
Okay, but this really long word that I sent you is easy because it's like words. Okay, for example, pneumono, ultra, microscopic, silica, volcano.
We can divide it into like three parts.
3 parts? How about like 6 parts? More than that.
Can you pronounce it again?
Pneumono ultramicroscopic silicovolcanoconiosis.
So the letter P, it's silent.
Yes. Well, you actually see this prefix a lot.
Pneumonal Tramic.
Look, you're so close.
Where's my tongue? Where's my
It's a good
tongue?
question. It's a good question.
Yeah.
It's a good one. It's a good one. I'm surprised that you saw this word. I'm very surprised about it because I didn't know this word until very recently. I didn't know this word.
No, I can tell you this word. It's very popular and common between the English learners. Like I said.
Okay, cool. Well, now I know this. I'm gonna go like on Instagram after and like look at hashtags or something. Try to find this. I want to hear people saying it. That sounds great.
Wow. Yeah, maybe the next class I will say it freely.
I'm ready. I'm so ready. I challenge you. If you do it, I'll give you a prize or something.
Thank you so
You're
much.
welcome. You can have some of my popcorn.
Oh my goodness. I have one.
No, but this is special popcorn.
Yeah, because it's made just for special tour.
Exactly.
Yeah.
It's made by me for you. Therefore, it's special.
Yeah.
Exactly.
Yeah, and you have to deliver it from America to Iraq. Whoa, oh
No
my
problem.
God.
No problem. I'll hop on the next plane. No problem.
Oh wow, you are
No
very
problem.
kind. So thank you
You're
very
welcome.
much, Rebecca. I had like a good conversation with you, and like it has a very new vocabulary for me.
All right. Well, you better learn it. I believe in you. You got it. I hope you learned something. And thank you so much. It was so good to talk to you as usual.
Thank you so much. So
see you later.
bye bye. Bye bye.